Then question number 3. First of all, read this question. Here 3 internal questions are there. Decimal expansion is given to you. We just need to write here these numbers are a rational number or not. Okay, we just need to write the answer. These numbers are rational numbers or not. And if these numbers are rational number, then we need to write the form of Q. Okay, if these numbers are rational number, then it can be represented in P by Q form. So from that we need to write the form of Q. Okay, and when we get the rational number, we already learned these things in our theory part, right? If number have terminating decimal expansion and non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, at that time we get the rational number. But if number have non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion, so it is a irrational number, right? So we just need to check the form of decimal expansion. If it is terminating and non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, then it is rational number. But if number have non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion, then it is irrational number. Okay. Now our first number is 43.12345678 Now if we just see the decimal expansion of this number, then this number have terminating decimal expansion, right? Because here answer is terminate, over, right? It is not continuous number. Okay, here our answer is terminate. That means this is terminating decimal expansion, right? Here decimal expansion is terminating. So 43.12345678 is rational number. Okay, this number have terminating decimal expansion. So this number have is a rational number. Now this is a rational number. So we need to write the form of Q. Okay, we can directly write the form of Q if decimal expansion is given to you. Here after decimal point we have 9 digits, right? After decimal point we have 9 digits. It means that in denominator 9 times we have 10. Because in question number 1, whatever number of tens we have in denominator, same number of digits. Before the same number of digits, we just put the decimal point. Here, after decimal point, 9 digit is there. It means that in denominator we have 9 times 10. Okay, so Q is in the form of 10 raised to 9. 9 times 10. So you can also write 9 times 2 and 9 times 5 because factor of 10 it is 2 multiplied 5, right? 2 multiplied 5 is there, so 9 times 2 and 9 times 5 we have. So directly we can write the form of Q. Okay, so if you look at the form of Q, then it is in the form of 2 raised to m multiplied 5 raised to n. Okay, so here our Q is in the form of 2 raised to m multiplied 5 raised to n. Okay, one more method we have, if we just simplify this number. That means how can we write this number? If we remove the decimal point here, then 4, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Now after decimal point we have 9 digits. So in denominator we need to put 90. And before that we need to write 1. Okay, if after decimal point we have 9 digits, so if we remove the decimal point, so in denominator we need to put 9 zeros and before that we need to put 1. If you do not know these things, then just see my standard 7 video, chapter number 2, fractions and decimal. In that chapter I already explained these things, how we can convert a decimal number into fraction, how we can convert fraction into decimal number. Okay. Now in denominator we have 10 times 9, then same things, 9 times 2, 9 times 5, 2 raised to L, 5 raised to N. This is the form of Q. Okay, in this variable, we can find the form of Q. Okay. Now after that, question number 2, 0.120, 11, 200, 12, 000, 12, 4 times 0, after that 12, 5 times 0, 12, 6 times 0. Okay, if we look at this decimal expansion carefully, then here we do not have any repeating digits. Right? Here we do not have any repeating digits. 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4 times 0, but digits are not repeating. And dot dot dot, it means this is a continuous, infinite. It goes to the infinite number of digits. Right? Here we have terminating decimal expansion. Here we have non-terminating decimal expansion. Dot dot dot, it means it goes to the infinite number of digits. It never ends. Right? So this is non-terminating and non-repeating, because here any digits does not repeat here. Okay, so non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion we have here. It means that this number is a rational or irrational? Irrational, right? Because non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion, it means this number is irrational number, right? So decimal expansion, first of all, it is non-terminating, non-repeating. So this number is irrational number. Okay, here this goes to the infinite number of digits. That's why non-terminating, and any digit does not repeat here. If you think, if you are thinking that 1, 2 is repeating, but after that 1, 0 here, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, it is not the same pattern, right? That means if we here we have 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0. At that time we can say that digits are repeating 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0. But here 1 times 0, 2 times 0, 3 times, 4 times. So digits are never repeating here. That's why non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion. That's why this number is irrational. And this is the irrational number. So that we cannot represent this number in the form of P by Q. So that we cannot write the form of Q. Here our second question is over. Okay, because in irrational number we cannot represent in the P by Q form, because if we write this number in the form of P by Q, then it is rational number, but here we have irrational number, right? So here we do not need to write the form of Q. The next question number 3. Here our question is 43.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bar. This bar sign represent that these numbers are repeating. Okay, bar sign, that means these digits are repeating, and after it we have infinite number of digits. That means here we have non-terminating decimal expansion. Bar sign, it means that 43 point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It goes to the infinite number of digits, right? We can also write in this form 43.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and dot dot dot. That means it goes to the infinite number of digits. That means this number is non-terminating, but digits are repeating. Here our digits are repeating, right? Just 9 digits. 9 digits are repeating here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again same pattern, same numbers, same digits, right? So here our digits are repeating. So decimal expansion is non-terminating. non-terminating. It never terminates. Infinite number of digits we have, but repeating. If you look at the question number 1 and 3, here we have the same question 43.123456789, but here bar sign is not there. It means here digits are terminating, but here bar sign shows that infinite number of digits and these digits are repeating here. Okay, so here we have the form non-terminating repeating. It means that this number is rational or irrational? Rational, right? Because non-terminating repeating, it means rational number. These things we already learned in our theory part. So we can write like this. So this number is rational number. Now if this number is rational number, so we can represent this number in the form of p by q, right? And we need to write the form of q. Okay, we can represent this number in the form of p by q, and we need to write the form of q here. We can directly write the form of q. How many digits you have? How many number of digits are repeating here? Same number of 9 you need to write in the form of q. Here 9 digits are repeating, so 9 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 digits are repeating, so form of q 9 times 9. Okay, if 5 digits are repeating, so 5 times we need to write 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. If 3 digits are repeating, so 3 times we need to write 9. If 6 digits are repeating, so 6 times we need to write the 9. Okay, here 9 digits are there repeating, so 9 times we need to write 9. 9 digits are there, that's why we write 9. It is not true. We always need to write the 9 only. But 9 digits are repeating, so 9 times we need to write the 9. Okay, and one more method we already learned in standard 9. That means how can we convert this number into in the form of p by q? Let's check it. First of all, our original number is in this form, so we need to assume x here, right? First of all, assume x is equal to 43.123456789 continuously. Okay, this number we need to assume x. Now here 9 digits are repeating, so we need to multiply this equation by after 1 9 times 0. That means in both the sides we need to multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 6, 9. After 1 9 times 0, multiply x, and same thing we need to do here in both the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Multiply 43.123456789. Okay, whatever number of digits are repeating, same times 0 we need to take after 1, and we need to multiply on both the sides. That means if 2 digits are repeating, then we need to multiply 100 on both the sides. If 3 digits are repeating, we need to multiply 1000 in both the sides. If 4 digits are repeating, we need to multiply 10,000 in both the sides. Here we have 9 digits, so after 1 9 times 0. Okay, now here we have 9 times 0 x. Now if we multiply, here we have 9 times 0, then this decimal point we need to move after 9 digits, we need to place it. Okay, if we multiply here 9 times 0 before after 1, so here our decimal point moves 9 digits in right hand side. Okay, this decimal point moves in the right hand side direction after 9 digits. So here 43 as it is 9 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that this decimal point we need to place here, and after that again we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 infinitely, right? Now whatever number of 0 after 1 we have, same number of we need to move this decimal point up to the same number of digits in right hand side direction. Okay, if you do not know these things, that how we can transfer this decimal point to right and left hand side direction, then you just see a video of standard 8 fractions and decimal, standard 7 fractions and decimal. Okay, and these things we already learned in standard 8 even. Like in exponential power, standard form and usual form. Right, so these things we have now. Here our equation number 1, here our equation number 2. Then we need to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. We need to subtract equation 1 from 2. So first of all, write down the equation number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 x 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dot. After that, we need to write equation number 1. X is equals to after that we need to subtract equation 1. Here x is equals to, now we just need to follow this decimal point. So first of all, decimal point, before that we have 4 3, so here 4 3, after that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and dot. Okay, we just need to follow this decimal point below the decimal point, before that 43, after that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and we subtract this, so negative sign is there. Now here nothing is there, so 1x. That means we need to subtract 1 from this number. We need to subtract 1 from this number, so we get 9 times 9. Okay, because here 10 is there, then here 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 and here 0. Okay, so 10 minus 1 even 9, so 9 times 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. After that x is there, and here this digits are cut. After decimal point all the digits are cut. Okay, and here 9 minus 3 6, 8 minus 4 4, 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 3 4. Now for finding out the value of x, just transfer this number to the right hand side. So here we have 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 6 divided by this 9 times 9. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the p by q form of this number. Okay, in this way we can get the p by q form. This method we already learned in standard 9. Okay, so if you do not know this steps, so just see the video of standard 9 chapter number 1. Okay, in that I briefly explain these things, how we can get the p by q form of this non-terminating repeating decimal number. Okay, so this is the p by q form of this number. Now if you look at the denominator q, then here we have 9 times 9. Alternately, whatever number of digits are repeating, same number of 9 we need to put in the form of q. Okay, so directly even you can write this, you do not need to follow these steps. But if you do not know, then you can use this method. And if it is asked in the question that convert this number into p by q form, then we need to do this. Okay, here directly we need to write the form of q, so we can write directly form of q 9 times 9. Okay, so students, here our chapter number 1 is over. If you have any doubt in this chapter, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Thank you.